There.
Again. My queen mother, Gullah Geechee.
How are you doing?
I'm well, thank you, my queen. Yes. Nice to meet you, Baba.
Gabo, how are you?
I'm very well. Say hi.
So the over doctor?
Yes, and I'm gonna go and assist. We'll be right back out here.
Lafayette Hannah Chiller. We did right your back one more game inside this your kingdom of Oyotunji with day in the Gullah Geechee Nation. So Hannah Chiller knows it. This year the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week 2018. So we gonna get it from the Oba of Oyotunji and the Ume second. Okay? What day the king of this your village now. So 100 children that come to the Gullah Geechee Nation and 100 many times 100 children will know about, oh, what the Yoruba and all of this shit thing. This shit is the place where they be in the Gullah Geechee Nation. So if you're coming through, you're coming down the King's Highway, come to the King, the Oba, Oyotunji. And so 100 children, you know if you're there with me, 100 going know what's going on. So tune in for Yeti, what's going on right here in Oyotunji and how they celebrate who we be, the Gullah Geechee. God bless all of you.
Lafayette Oba.
Alafia ni.
Lafayette Oba.
Alafia ni.
I'm a queen. Alafia ni.
I want to do.
I'm
so glad to see you on again.
Thank you.
Yeah, 2 times in 1 weekend.
One weekend.
Yeah, 1 weekend. I tell all the people go I talk, we keep doing this.
Yes, we have to keep doing this. So.
Yeah, and I have
Yes.
to get out.
Yes. You protect it because you know you got to do a lot of work with the aqua. And the people trying to bring the port in and sneak the port in on the Gullah Geechee people. You know how they do it in the port there and put oil in the water and boats and
all of the things we don't need.
So let my job give you the strength to continue to protect the ocean.
Is my child your mother? I think you should grab that pants so quick.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, my
Or I like to sit.
oh, very rare combination. Obatala sits on my head. Yamaya is my mother.
Yes, protect her. Yes.
Absolutely.
You like to cook, Eddie.
Absolutely.
You like to take care of people.
Like to take care of
Take care of people. Yeah, so I had to go get dressed because I know your camera don't just see around you.
All over the way.
I'm sorry, I look
And
like
see, we good because I tell Kwame, I said, I would have had on something else, but the over thing she is slick. He wants me to just come off of the road, so he can I was dressed to put it together. But that is all right. The founder and I are beautiful enough.
Yes.
We are adorned already.
Yes.
The ancestors have blessed us to be adorned.
Definitely.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you for that history. Definitely.
What a beauty. So Hannah Chilla, we tell Hannah we the day back with the Oyotunji family. This is the last part of the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week for 2018 and things like that. Hannah done see we to celebrate who we be all weekend and things like that. But first we've been up the creek going in Charleston, Friday. Where we were there? On the Charleston Harbor. Right here on the aquarium. We're fishing things, the indoors and things like that. We'll get you to the village where the king had to come from the creek. Then I crack your teeth with him. He said, Queen, I did down by the riverside. I said, I know that was another day, but I came to the village. He said, I did it because I got my proclamation to get to the Gullah Geechee Nation. So he's so glad he one more again. That right here, y'all ain't gonna forget this. Your voice, neither this your face. We back with the Oyotunji family and Oyotunji village right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. Alafia.
Welcome once again. And we're happy each year to be able to offer such an historical document. And I think it's been about 5 years, 6 years now.
Yes,
We've
sir.
been
Doing this year.
And the first day that you said that this is what we should be doing, it should be proclaimed nationwide.
Yes.
I know you done been everywhere. You done been in Jacksonville,
Anything.
Carletonville,
Any.
Yorville, myville, and
My
Millville.
ville.
You've been all of the ville, all of the
Right.
villes, and they have proclaimed such an occasion, a monumental occasion. So we offer to the Queen Quet, Her Royal Highness Queen Quet, a royal proclamation from the palace of Oshagiyan Kingdom, Gullah Geechee Nation, signed by His Royal Majesty Oba Adejigbe Adefumi II the king Oyotunji of Oyotunji and the Yoruba of North America. It is with great respect for the work being done in the name of our esteemed ancestors that we proclaim today's date, August 3rd, 2018, as the official beginning of the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival Day. It is with great honor and respect for the work being done in the name of our esteemed ancestors that we, the Yoruba of North America, stand shoulder to shoulder with your efforts and ideals of creating a nation, a Gullah Geechee nation, and awareness that supports the propagation of our culture. It is with great honor and respect for the work being done in the name of our esteemed ancestors that yearly, during this historical event, I personally rededicate myself to the service of my ancestors, their culture. So as our people continue to seek out their stolen legacy and culture, I will be ready to guide them as well. It is with great honor and respect for the work being done in the name of our esteemed ancestors that we offer praise and admiration to Her Royal Grace, Queen Quet, Chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. It is indeed with the same honor that we give thanks for her tireless efforts in traveling, speaking, activism, nurturing, media, teaching, cooking, farming, all out there in the water, down in the village, and all of the hard works. You gotta put Geechee in there. All of the hard work. It is with great honor and respect for the work being done in the name of our ancestors that we recognize we be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. You know, I wrote that myself. He's glad he for that.
I'm glad about that. Look here, I can tell him like we tell the rest of children. We ain't send him to school for nothing.
I share. Right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation
Now,
too.
how beautiful is this? Look at this. Someone the other day wrote over, when they saw the proclamation frame from one of the other county councils, they said, wow, that one is awesome. I think this one trumped that one.
Oh, this is our culture. I said, it's been our culture in there.
This
our
is
culture.
truly our story, our richness. And notice, if you all see these colors, these are the colors of the Gullah Geechee Nation. You see? So the water that
The
bring me,
ancestors.
the water gonna take me back.
Ashe.
Gold for the Carolina gold that they tried to enslave our ancestors with, not realizing it was our knowledge only being planted further in another continent. And then what did they call us? Black gold. Black gold. So that richness that is always there. Now, Oba, tell them what these colors mean
Yes.
in Yoruba.
These are the colors of Oduduwa.
Oduduwa.
Oduduwa is the great ancestor of the Yoruba people. Each nation where our ancestors descend from, we have stories about the great person that started the Mende, the great chief of the Timne, the great chief of the Vai, the great chief of the Yoruba, is Oduduwa. And so this is the head of Olokun. Olokun is the deity of the ocean. If you go to Ile Ife, the holy city of the Yoruba, everybody got their holy city now. You go to the holy city of the Yoruba, you see this head.
Yes.
We also have this on our sign. That's the head of
That's what I was
Olokun.
going to say,
For us, Gullah Geechee, the reason we got it on Highway 17 and I want it up there is because the water bring us, the water
The
carry
water
us.
going to take me down.
That's what Olokun represents. the water. So when African people got on that boat coming over here, they've been talking about get in the bottom. They jump off
They jump off.
because they knew.
Yes.
They knew they would go home.
That's right.
And we have a story at Igbo Landing that's the same.
That's right.
The water bring me up, the water bring take us
Take it
home.
back.
And so they clinked their chains and they walked all the way down and they went back to Africa. They walked straight, meet the water up to Africa. And it is Olokun that does that. So that's why in the village, Olokun Temple is the biggest village. I mean the biggest temple.
biggest temple.
Yes, because Olokun been to bring us here. And Olokun will take us back. So Olokun represents culture. And then of course Oyotunji means Oyo. The city of Oyo rises again. So that's like they say New York, that's New Oyo.
So
They think they've been gonna make the whole America without no Africa. Now they got the whole Gullah
Africa
Geechee
made
nation.
America. Africa made America.
Africa made America. So
Oh, yeah.
that's what that represents. And then we have this right here is the rice.
Yes.
This represents the rice. And then you see the rice plants in the back. That represents the rice because the village been sitting in a rice plantation.
Rice
right?
plantation.
Mhm.
I'll take you right back. We go right back.
Right
I go, whoo. Then you have the Ankh. The Ankh represents the Egyptian symbol of life. And then somewhere in there you got
Key
some
of
tools.
life, see?
Yes, the key of life. Yes.
Yes.
Ankh, yes. And somewhere in there you got a hoe and a shovel to represent the farm. And that's the crest.
Yes, we
From
say.
1970, Oyotunji
In
has
the
been in the
field.
Gullah Geechee Nation.
Yes.
So once again, like I've been to say yesterday, them people ain't know what they've been doing when they started the place. They've been doctoring. They ain't never all that kind of fancy thing. They ain't never put a shovel in the
In the
ground.
ground. Tall
Mr.
down.
Smalls, Mr. Pinckney, Miss Pauline, Miss Brown, all the old people, they said, you know, we can't let them people live down there and
Yeah,
just
starve to
to death. Go show them how to plant something.
Right.
Go tell them they
Children
can't get a
ain't
house
know.
on the ground. They
And
gotta
the
put
city
it.
children, they ain't been know.
They said they gotta put metal on the roof. Them pine people ain't gonna stay.
Ain't gonna stay there tall, tall. All this your rent?
Yeah, you was here back then.
Yes,
Would
I
you
was
like to
there.
say something?
Yes.
Mrs. Pinckney had
Well,
own giraffes and all
what would you like to
kinds
hear
of
from
stuff.
the Baba?
Thanks for the Gullah Geechee.
Thank you, Gullah Geechee, for having us here. Thank you for the warm welcome that we have received from you all of these years. Thank you for the experience that you gave us to continue to be here, and we're very grateful. And we will continue to do the things that you expect of us in Oyotunji village. We are growing every day. We are building every day. I myself am building now. And it's not an easy task, but it is a task.
But it's a task.
Yes.
You are fit for the task.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Yes.
you.
The ancestors continue to bless your journey.
Thank you very much. What you
Yeah.
say?
Now, Oba, I'm going to share this with all the other rest of children out there. Now, the Oba grew up here. So he born here. So I always tell him, say, he the first Gullah Geechee Yoruba baby we behind. Now you got the next generation right here.
Yes.
Okay. But look, I mean, the next generation from you.
Third.
Yeah, you're the third generation. You the first one born here, Danny. Then watch this here, though.
He like that.
See, like that. So now, when we come in the south, I just see that they don't turn Gullah Geechee for true. Because the oil don't come off the sign. It just calls Tunji village now.
You see that?
Yeah, it's just Tunji village.
Where they Gullah
Don't
Geechee?
act like what's going on. He not turn true Gullah Geechee now. Because they take that oil off
Yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah.
Put Tunji. That's how we do. We
That's why we
give
do
you
Gullah
that.
Geechee.
Give that
Break it
second
down.
name.
You ain't been gonna say the whole thing. Break them down.
Broke them down. Broke them down. But look at that. Rises again.
Yes.
You see, 100 children ain't first know. Plenty of the thing that 100 to see on Gullah Geechee TV when I come into Oyotunji. And what we did when I've been coming here 25 years.
Oh, no.
Because they had a fire.
Yes.
And they rose again. Like a phoenix.
Like the phoenix.
Out the ashes. They rose again. The ancestors, the power Shango came in. They brought the energy. And they rose again. And they're shining brighter. You see? So you see the shrines of Oshun here. And then you see how even in the storms, Yamaya come with the water. But the water lifted them. They say, every boat will rise with the water. And so we rise together. So it's no accident. There's no coincidence about New Yorkers saying we're going to reverse the Great Migration. But when we do it, we'll be a new nation. There is no thing that could stop that power.
No.
Because it was destined
Yes.
before any of us were here. You see,
Ache.
and so to this moment, we represent all of we ancestors and things like that. When we come across the water. And 100 children, we still dip on the water. And we'd have been here, and we in the grind no way. Tall. So thank you to all the 100 children that have shared this year week with we for Gullah Geechee Nation appreciation. And we continue to rise together. Tunji. Ashe.
So I'll be looking for pictures, look for pictures and video.
Yes.
So this is your second time here at the village of Oyotunji?
No, this is about my third or fourth time.
Third or fourth time here?
Yes.
And so how do you feel being here on this final day of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week?
Definitely a strong spiritual blessing. I have a connection to Oyotunji from Surgeon the First. Knowing him, having been in his presence, having danced within his presence many, many years ago, and now with the current Oba, it has always been a blessing coming here. I feel nothing but peace. I feel nothing but welcome. And as this is a culmination to our spiritual event, as well as edutainment event, there could be no better cap to it.
Ashe. Ashe, oh.
Ashe, oh.